Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. This series is for beginners and new learners who want to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro software but they don't know where to start or how to start. I will show you very basics of video editing in Premiere Pro step by step. In this episode 1 we'll show you how to add transitions between videos. Transitions are used to avoid cuts between two videos. It makes video smoother. So let's get started and jump into the Premiere Pro. First I will go to Effect panel here. These are the video transitions. These are inbuilt video transitions of Premiere Pro CC 2017. Now I will go to Project panel here and these are some videos I have pre-imported. I will select this first video in source project and take this video on timeline from 1 second to 5 seconds. Select second video's in point and out point and put it on timeline. Now I will select third video's in point and out point and put video exactly after a second video. Make sure there is no space between two videos on timeline. Now I have increased size of this layer and zoomed it a little more to see this clearly. Go to Effect and open a video transition option here. First I will open a dissolve transitions. Now here in timeline I want my starting of the video from dark black to its original colors. Select dip to black transition and drag its starting point of the video like this. Now between two videos I will add cross dissolve transition. And then I will add additive dissolve here on second cut. Every transition will work on cut points on timeline. It will not work in the middle of the videos. You can see here. It's not adding transition without cut. Transition will always work between two videos or starting point or ending point of the video. Now I will go to Project panel and add one more video in the end. I will give directly out point here and drag it on timeline like this. Here there is no extra frames in starting of this video. Now I will add a transition here. Transition is looking only on one side of the video. Because this last video do not contains any frames before. To avoid this problem, make sure to give some extra frames before and after the video for giving transition. Transition uses those extra frames. After giving some extra frame, now you can see here the transition is working both the side of the video. Now we will see some more transitions. I will add Rs box transition here. This transition will mask the video and reveal it from the mask. In Effect Control panel we can see properties of the transition by selecting it. This is the border width of the mask. From here we can change the color of the border. Now this option will reverse the animation of the transition. There are few more transitions in Iris. We can see here. Every transition's property will be the same. Now we will see this page peel transition. It looks like changing the page of the book. This will reverse the animation of the video. And in this page turn transition we can see same video in the back side. This option will reverse the animation of the transition. There are more transitions here. We can use every transition by the same process. Now use some other transitions on your videos and make some cool videos. Practice makes your work better. And if you like the video or learned something useful, then click on like, subscribe and stay in touch for more advanced videos of editing and VFX.